Where to buy work clothes and safety gear. Chapter 1. Workwear for sale. Safety gear for sale. The following sell a mixture of security, first aid, and occupational safety products. Safety Management Magazine. bbpnews.com. SafetyEquipment.org, International Safety Equipment Association. CENIT.org, Safety Equipment Institute, a private, non-profit organization established to administer non-governmental, third-party certification programs to test and certify a broad range of safety and protective products. SafetyResources.com. Childproofing.com. Kaniwy.com, Kani Safety Products. Access-Safety.net. DiscountSafetyGear.com. FireandSafety.com, Fire and Safety Equipment. FirstAlert.com, Smoke Alarms, etc. Genfire.com, Fire Extinguishers. CamIndustrial.com, Safety Products. KindCor.com, Safety Products Canada. LabSafety.com/store/safety_supplies. LeonardSafety.com. MasteryTech.com, Mastery Technologies. Nightgear.com. OmarKSafety.com, Safety Products Online. RescuersPoNSC.com. Safeguard-Safety.com. SafetyCentral.org, Safety Central. SafetyCompany.com. SafetyGlassesInc.com. SafetyOnline.com. Champion-America.com. 800-521-7000. EnviroSafety. 800-637-6606. EnviroSafetyProducts.com. Lifehammer.com. 888-343-8688. Car Safety Equipment. NorthernSafety.com. 800-631-1246. ProsTop.com. 800 Bollard. Ceto Identification Products. 800-243-6624. CetoN.com. SurvivalCenter.com. 800-321-2900. Survival Technologies Group. 800-525-2747. 800-3M Helps. 3M.com. TallySecurity.com. 800-211-0615. Uniform/workwear. Nomd.com, Uniform Manufacturers and Dealers Association. Cheap-Scrubs.com. Carhartt.com. Gear911.com. Scrubsboutique.com. BlueCollarSupply.com, Lockport, IL. BlueCollarWorkwear.com. CobmexUniformApparel.com, Corporate Uniform. UnitedUniform.com. WorkingPerson.com/products. Become.com/blue-collar-work. OfficersTour.com. BestBuyUniforms.com. OnePrinterInc.com. ScrubsMe.com Med. JANuras.com, largest supplier of career apparel in the Eastern Caribbean. BestBuyUniforms.com. Allheart.com, Medical. Angelica-Corp.com, Healthcare Uniforms. Anthony's-Uniforms.com, Medical. ChiefSupply.com. SiceUniforms.com. FireOutUniform.com, Firefighter. GemPLERS.com, The Outdoor Workers Source. Landau.com, Healthcare Uniforms. OshkoshBegosh.com, Workwear. PostalServiceUniforms.com. Postal-Uniforms.com. PostalUniformsOnline.com. PostalUniforms.us. Uniforms.com. UniformsPlus.com, 800-767-5731. WorkandGear.com. Workwear-USA.com, 800-208-1662. Ziegler.com, Clergy. chefwirusa.com. 800-568-2433. culinaryclassics.com. 800-373-2963. dornanuniforms.com. 800-223-0363. wassermanuniform.com. 800-848-3576. WearGuard Work Clothes. 800-388-3300. WearGuard.com. wondergloves.com. 888-596-6337. Work Gloves. Work Gear for Sale. professionalequipment.com. nautilussafetyfootwear.com. toolsofthetrade.net. discountsafetygear.com. Protective clothing business websites. alluniforms.com. All Uniforms, Delaney Linen Service, purchase or rental of garments for industrial, laboratory and medical. drsocks.com. Dr. Socks, specialty socks for diabetics. CherokeeUniforms.com, strategic distribution, LP, manufacturer of Cherokee brand uniforms, scrubs and footwear in a variety of colors and styles. ElfcoPatientGowns.com, Elfco patient gowns, medical and healthcare supplies. FAPOMED.pt, FAPOMED SA, manufacturers of nonwovens-based surgical drapes, gowns and packs. GKServices.com, G&K Services, Class 1 cleanroom garments. Kapler.com, Kapler Manufacturing Services, produces protective fabrics, apparel and accessories for industrial, medical, hazmat and cleanroom. Lac-Mac.com, Lac-Mac Limited, manufactures and markets protective clothing for surgical staff and professionals. MobMedical.com, Mob Medical Limited, manufacturer of scrubs and uniforms. NewEnglandLinen.com, New England Linen Supply, a linen and uniform rental service fully equipped. ProtechEyewear.com, Protech leaded eyewear, manufacturer of radiation protective eyewear, gloves, sleeves, aprons and barriers. Rizues.com, The Rizues, Limited, development and supply of core medical garments and protective wear. SarahMedical.com, Sarah Medical Supplies Factory, manufacturer of laboratory plastic disposable products. Vidaro.com, Vidaro Corporation, produces RF protective clothing for wireless and broadcast environments, EM protective suits for electric power line and high voltage environments. Weberwear.com, Weberwear, medical gowns. Glove business websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/industrial_goods_and/safety_equipment_supplies/apparel/gloves. acnetindia.com, Acnet Knitting Limited, manufacturer and exporter of seamless gloves, leather gloves, and apparel. agsagomma.com, AGSAGAMA, produces X-ray protection and cut-resistant gloves and gynecological gloves. AnselLpro.com, Ansel Occupational Healthcare, manufacturer of gloves and personal protective apparel. CarolinaGlove.com, Carolina Glove Company, work-related gloves for industrial and consumer use. ChagrinSafetySupply.com, Chagrin Safety Supply Ohio latex supplier of medical and dental gloves, latex and non-latex. eeglove.com, eeglove, gloves and protective gear. espuna.fr, Ispuna SAS, manufacturer of protective leather gloves. familyglove.com, Family Glove Co., Limited, manufacturer of PVC and NBR gloves. Hatch-corp.com, Hatch Corporation, gloves for law enforcement, medical and industrial safety. Hopfat.com, Hopfat Gloves Manufactory Limited, manufacturers and tanners of leather work gloves for industry. j-easterman.com. JustExamGloves.com, Just Gloves, sells gloves designed for medical exam, emergency services, food service, and other industries requiring hand protection. Kainco.com, Kinko International, Inc., distributor of industrial safety gloves. KingGloves.com, King Gloves, manufacturer and supplier of seamless string knit gloves. Lieberman.com, Lieberman, manufacturers and exporters of leather, cotton and textile gloves. Luxchal.com. MCRSafety.com, MCR Safety, manufacturer and distributor of industrial gloves. Metasco.com, Metasco International, manufacturers and exporters of gloves for industry and sports. NapaGlove.com, Napa Glove and Safety Incorporated, manufacturer and distributor of industrial gloves and personal protective equipment. New Horizons Ltd.in, New Horizons Limited, manufacturer and exporter of leather work gloves and personal protective equipment. PVCglove.com, All Fine Rubber Products Incorporated, specialized in producing rubber gloves. ReflectiveGlove.com, Excel Gloves and Supply, manufacturers of safety reflective gloves. RencoGloves.com, Renco Corporation, supplier and manufacturer of industrial products. Ronco.ca, Ronco Protective Products, manufacturer of disposable and reusable gloves and polyethylene products. SuperiorGlove.com, Superior Glove Works Limited, distributor of industrial gloves, wiping cloths and personal protective equipment. TechNIGlove.com, TechNI Glove International, Inc., manufacturer of disposable nitrile gloves designed for use in critical clean room environments, sterile non-medical applications and various industrial jobs. Wafengtrading.com, Wafeng Trading Company, manufacturer and exporter of industrial work gloves and personal protective products. Uniforms and Vestments Clothing business websites at DMAS ODP. Subcategories: Academic, Corporate, Ecclesiastical, Hospitality, Medical, Safety, Shopping, Sports. admdirect.co.uk, ADM Workwear, UK. Advancedembroidery.biz, Advanced Embroidery, USA. alphauniforms.com.mx, Alpha Uniforms, Mexico. alpinespyrit.com, Alpine Esprit, private label manufacturing. anchortex.com, Anchortex Corporation, USA. apronman.com, Apronman Aprons, USA. aerouniform.com, Aero Uniform, USA. balmoor.co.uk, Balmoor Industries, UK. brigade.uk.com, Brigade Workwear, USA. Carhartt.com, Carhartt, designer of workwear, lifestyle, men's, women's, kids, footwear and personal protective clothing. Calvet.co.uk, Calvet Corporate Workwear, UK. Corporateworkwear.com, Imagine Corporate Workwear, Ltd, UK. DaystarApparel.com, Daystar Apparel, USA. DempseyUniform.com, Dempsey Uniform and Linen Supply, offers uniform rentals, linens and dust control to central and northeastern Pennsylvania. DGWorkwear.co.uk, DG Workwear, Ltd, UK. FaroukGarments.com, Farouk Garments, Pakistan. FinesseTextiles.com, Finesse Textiles, UK. Fireware.com, American Fireware, Inc., USA. FirstCorporateUK.com, First Corporate Clothing Limited, UK. FlightSuits.com, Flight Suits, USA. Glove-World.com, Austin's Marmon, Hong Kong, China. gm-workwear.com/index.htm, Gustin Molinel, Vietnam. Gransfers.us, Gransfers Brooks, USA. Grassi.it, Alfredo Grassi Spot, Italy. Harveys.co.uk, Harveys & Co., Ltd, UK. Hivesshop.co.uk, Hives Shop, UK. htHughes.com, HT Hughes, UK. Industrial clothing, overalls, workwear. Hunchen.com, Hunshan Limited, Hong Kong, China. imagecreations.co.uk. Image Creations, design and manufacture of embroidered workwear, polo shirts, t-shirts, caps and hotel supplies. Inbreadthreads.com, Inbread Threads, USA. Isacco.it, Isacco, Italy. Professional clothes in hotel. jsd.co.uk, German street design, UK. leosworkwear.com, Leo's Workwear, Germany. libertyuniform.com, Liberty Uniform, USA. mandhuniforms.com, Hartley and Murphy, custom design and manufacture of uniforms for the airline, municipal, transportation and cruise line industries. mimtex.com, Mimtextil, Ltd., Turkey. milkishigo.com, ML Kishigo Co., USA. morganservices.com, Morgan Services, USA. mrcharles.com.au, Mr. Charles, Australia. polwx.pl, Polwex, Poland. proclothing.co.uk, Pro Clothing, UK. rashel.co.id, Rascal, Indonesia. richlu.com, Riklu Manufacturing, Canada. arrivers.com, Rivars Custom Show Apparel, USA. salonweardirect.co.uk, Salonwear Direct, UK. sandhuniforms.com, SNH Uniforms, USA. shinezigns.net, Shine Designs, USA. silex.gr, Silex, Greece. sofitex.com, Sofitex, Ltd., Bulgaria. system5s.com, System5s PVT. techmax-progear.co.uk, Techmax Pro Gear, UK. topazblue.com, Topaz Blue, UK. tuffaworkwear.com.au, Tuffa Workwear, Australia. tw-bratcher.co.uk, TW Bratcher & Co. Ltd., UK. uniformityclothing.co.uk, Uniformity Clothing, UK. uniforms.com.hk, Anton Hill Co., Ltd., Hong Kong. universaloverall.com, Universal Overall Co., manufacturers of industrial workwear. wearform.com, Wearform, provides work uniforms for all industries from restaurant work to industrial jobs. work-master.com, Workmaster, China. workinggarments.com, Ningbo Junhua Trade Co., Ltd., China. worksoneapparel.com, Workzone Apparel and Promotions, USA. Wydeen.com, Wydian, UK.